Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It's your girl Dumebi once again. So the first thing that I did, I'm just going right into the makeup. So I went into the palette the palette called Festival Queen from Glitz and Glam Cosmetics. It's a Nigerian brand. I took that black shade and I just placed it right above my crease and winged it outwards a bit. So the next shade I took is a dark blue eyeshadow shade. I'm using all matte shadows today, guys. So I'm just placing this slightly on top of the black, just above it a bit. I didn't really focus on blending at that stage. So I went in with a light blue eyeshadow and then I'm blending on top of the dark blue. I'm just using wind wiper motions to blend. Then I'm going into this yellow eyeshadow shade with a blending brush. And then I'm just placing it above, like the highest points, really close to my brow bone area. So now to prepare to cut my crease, I used a wet wipe to first of all clean the eyeshadow on my mobile lid first of all. And why I did this is so that when I place my eye primer on it, the color is going to pop. And the primer I'm using is Benai Clown White. It's very creamy, so I love using it for cut creases. And having the Benai Clown White, which is pure white, allows whatever eyeshadow I place on it, the color will really pop and come out pigmented. So I took that yellow eyeshadow shade from my Beyond Beauty Cosmetics eyeshadow palette. This has been my second time using it. I received it not long ago from the brand, and this is like me creating a colorful look with it because I used it in my 2020 soft glam makeup look before. So now I'm lining my eye using the gel liner from Beyond Beauty. You guys know this is my favorite. If you watch this channel, I don't joke with that liner at all. Super creamy. So I just popped on my lashes. I used the Mismetics eyelashes. Then now moving on to face, I'm priming my face using the Becca Poreless Ever Matte Primer. I use it in very minimum quantity because whenever you use excess of it, it dries your skin out too much and then blending your foundation can be a bit difficult. So for foundation, I'm going into the Beyond Beauty HD Matte Foundation, and this is the shade 205. Foundation just matches me beautifully, perfectly. I love this foundation, and they have a very wide range of shade, range. It is cosmetic brand, guys. If you see me dancing, please, I'll just enjoy music. Like, who else listens to music and dances while doing their makeup? If you do, then you guys can relate to what's going on there. So I'm just blending the foundation right in, and it just suits me perfectly. You don't even need so much. A little goes a long way. You guys can see the way I'm glowing. So now for my concealer to highlight, I'm just using two shades from the LA Pro Conceal. I'm using the shade Dark Cocoa, which is this one that I'm using that is so close to my skin tone. Then I used the shade Fawn, just a little bit. I didn't use too much because I wanted my highlight to look really natural. I didn't want like that in your face kind of highlights. So I'm using my buffing brush once again to blend this. If you guys watch this channel, if you guys watch me regularly, you'd know I'm that kind of girl that will use one brush for her entire face. I use this brush for my foundation, I use it for my concealer, and now I'm going to also use it for my powder. So I'm just buffing everything right into my skin, and I'm liking the way everything is looking at this point. So now I'm going into my Beyond Beauty powder palette. This one has powders, 6 shades of powders. It has 3 shades of highlighters, and it has 3 shades of cream to powder or cream foundation. So I'm just taking a shade lighter than me of the powder and then using it to set the areas that I highlighted. This is something that I do when I don't feel like using a setting powder. I use an actual powder but something a shade lighter than me for my highlighted areas. Then I'm going back in with a powder shade that is my shade for the rest of my face. So this gives me, it kind of like slims my face down without really making my cheekbone pop, as opposed to if I've done the traditional way of contouring my cheekbones. I like to do this one. It looks more subtle and more natural in my opinion. So now I'm using the Polar Beauty eyeliner pencil in the shade Purple to line my eyes. Their pencils are super pigmented. So to further make like some drama under my eyes, I just smoked out my lower waterline with the purple eyeshadow shade from the Beyond Beauty Cosmetics eyeshadow palette. So now for that inner corner drama, I'm taking big chunky glitters from Beauty Junkie. They sent this to me a while back, so I just placed that, and I didn't use adhesive. I love when I use glitters and I don't need adhesive. So I just highlighted my face using the glow from the Beyond Beauty powder palette. So now I'm doing my lips. I think this brown shade of lipstick is from Morphe. I can't quite remember the shade number, but I wanted to go for like nude lips. So in the middle there, I'm popping on something slightly nude but with a tint of pink, and I decided to just go with like something nude, more like skin tone nude. So I used my concealer in the shade Fawn just right there. Then I'm, you know, bringing everything together using the gloss from Paula Beauty, and man, those lips look yummy. So now I'm setting my face using the Royal Makeup Setting Spray. They sent this to me also. This was my first time using this, so I use a lot. Then I'm using also from Royal Makeup their Body Glow. And what I have to say is that for the Royal Makeup products, I wasn't blown away by their scents. I'm a scent kind of person. I like the products that I use, my cosmetics, to actually, you know, have a nice scent. The scents were just basic, but I liked the quality of the product itself. Like the Body Glow, I'm not really a big fan of Body Glow, but it wasn't greasy, it wasn't sticky, it did not stain my outfit, although some of it touched my outfit, but by the time I washed it, it came off. So guys, this is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please be sure to give me a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't. Leave me a comment, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.